Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Nisa News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about exclusive Camo Guests candid on K-Pack collab with singles Inferno, Hongjin Kyung staying true to Korean roots with yours truly and more. In an exclusive chat and Pink Villa, Camo Guests candid on her recent collaboration with singles Inferno, star Hongjin Kyung for K-Pack for her latest mixtape Yours Truly and More. Camo, the Korean rap sensation on the rise, recently dropped her new collection Yours Truly after storming into the hip hop scene with her critically acclaimed debut album Pressure Makes Diamonds. She is now ready to take her sound to new heights. This time she is blending her signature trap infused style with pop drum and bass and electronic elements, creating a diverse and captivating sonic experience for the fans. Meet Camo. Camo, a Seoul-based rapper, singer, and songwriter, is quickly rising as a standout star in South Korea's vibrant music scene. Known for her distinctive tonality, magnetic persona, and razor-sharp lyricism, Camo has captured audiences worldwide with her genre-blurring artistry. Growing up in Hong Kong, she was deeply influenced by Western pop culture, a foundation that now fuels her bold and boundary-pushing sound. At 26 years old, she's achieved remarkable milestones from breakout hits like Life is Wet featuring Jimin to high-profile collaborations with Korean rap icon Simon Dominic on Wi-Fi. Her debut album Pressure Makes Timers earned critical acclaim and a spot on Billboard's the 25 Best K-pop Albums of 2023 with millions of streams, a successful European tour, and record-breaking solo shows. She poised to become a global force in hip-hop and pop. About Camo's latest release, Yours Truly. Yours Truly is a masterclass in versatility with tracks that range from the fiery beat-driven anthems like K-Pack and Don't Text Me to the emotional acoustic-infused vibes of Waterfall and Pinks. Camo seamlessly blends genre, exploring pop, drums and bass and electronic while still staying true to her hip-hop roots. The mixtape focus track K-Pack is a bold declaration of her lyrical powers and unyielding attitude, while the playful Only You featuring Leila Morris offers a fresh twist on a classic love ballad. Collaboration with major names like Big Naughty, PH1 and Gary Boy. Camo's evolution as an artist is on fully display, commenting her place as one of South Korea's most exciting voices in hip hop to look out for. DB's diverse sound and compelling collaborations reflect her fearless energy, marking a pivotal moment in her already promising career. With the release of this EP, Camo comments her status as one of the most exciting and innovative voices in South Korea, rapidly growing hip hop scene. Our exclusive chat with Camo. How did you approach the evolution of your sound on your trolley moving from your trap heavy roots the exploring pop drum and bass the electronic genres? Camo, after the release of my debut album last year, I was just like in a different state of mind and just trying to figure out what I want to do next, and then those songs turned out. If you listen to these songs, you might definitely feel that I feel more uncomfortable. Yours truly is a mixtape through which I wanted my fans to just listen to it in an easy vibe. But my next project that I'm focusing on is definitely something that I have never tried before. How was your experience teaming up with renowned names like Big Naughty, PH1, Boy, and Leela Morris? How did these collaborations shape the direction of the mixtape? Camo, when we discuss about a featuring artist, when what we do is listen to the track, and if he Second verse is empty. We think about who's going to fit the best. So we would just send it to them and ask them if they want to hop onto the track and maybe add their touch to it. What it felt was it was very smooth. Everything was very fast and they were also nice, very polite and gentle and very talented too. So everything was just very easy. On that note, is there some dream collab you wish would come true with your next project? Camo maybe Amin and Petriola. Amin has always been one of my favorite artists, one of the only artists that I was inspired by when I first started making music. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.